Stuck choosing between paid ads and organic marketing? One promises instant results while other builds long-term credibility. But which one is the right for your business? In this video, we'll uncover the pros and cons of each approach and help you decide the best strategy for maximum growth. Number one, understand paid ads and organic marketing. Let's start by breaking down the basics. Paid ads, as the name suggests, involve paying to promote your content on platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These ads can bring in instant traffic and you control where and when your message appears. But with control comes a cost, literally. On the other hand, organic marketing is all about building your audience naturally. Think blog post, SEO optimized content, social media engagement, and word of mouth. It's slower to get traction, but it establishes trust and authority that can last long term. There are challenges business owners face without this approach. Now, here's what things get real. Without a solid digital marketing strategy, many business owners face common challenges. Number one, inconsistent leads. You might get leads from time to time, but there is no steady flow. One month is great, and the next, crickets. Struggling to build a loyal customer base. Customer forgets about you quickly if you are not constantly visible. Without organic content or retargeting ads, you are fighting an uphill battle for attention. Next is losing out to competitors. Your competitors are everywhere online, reaching potential customers while your business stays hidden. The next is high customer acquisition cost. Without the right strategy, you're either overspending on ads or underperforming with your organic reach. These challenges leads to frustration, slow growth, and let's be real, feeling like you're doing everything without seeing results. There are benefits of each, right? Let's look at paid ads first. Here's what they can bring in to the table. Quick visibility. With the right budget, your content can reach thousands instantly. Precise targeting. You can target specific demographic, interest, and even behaviors, making sure your message reaches the right people. Control over spend. You set the budget and you can adjust as you go. This is great if you need instant result like promoting a new product launch. Next is scalability. If your ad is performing well, you can scale it quickly to maximize reach and result. Now let's look at the benefits of organic marketing. While it's a slower burn, here's why it's a must for long-term success. This builds trust and credibility. People trust brands they see consistently online. Organic content establishes you as an expert. Organic marketing is cost effective. Organic marketing requires time but not a huge ad budget. It's great for business who wants to grow sustainably. Long-term results. Content you publish today can keep bringing traffic for years, especially with strong SEO. Next is engaged audience. People who find you organically are often more interested and engaged because they sought you out already. Now, which one should you choose? That's the question. And the answer is it depends. If you're launching a product or need fast results, paid ads are your best friend. But if you're building a brand and want a loyal audience, organic marketing is essential. My suggestion, use a mix. Run ads for quick boost but focus on organic strategies for sustainable growth. Start with a small ad budget while you're building up your organic channel. Think of it as a kickstart. Ready for some actionable steps? Start by running small test ad campaign. Pick one of your top posts and promote it on Facebook or Instagram. Set small budget daily and use it to drive traffic to your website or offer. At the same time, Commit to creating one piece of high quality content per week. This could be a blog post, a YouTube video, or even a podcast episode. Over time, you will start seeing results from both approaches. Alright, that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and share this with anyone you know who could benefit from growing their business online. Let's keep learning and growing together. Until next time, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.